small shop owner has bought in the Santa or in any Raitu Bazaar.
Those type of plastics are known as thermosetting plastics. Comparison, there are 3 types.
Up, down, right, left.
I am not inferior to anyone.
We are Tswreis. We are top on the Everest. Congratulations.
I want to be a leader.
Hi friends, this is K.Aravinda Sleeva Swaro from 2nd BPC from Dharmaram, from Nizamabad district. Okay friends, can I ask you all some questions? Yes, okay. Who is our Prime Minister? Yes, he is Narendra Modi. And who is our beloved Secretary? Yes, he is R.S. Praveen Kumar sir. And which is the important organ in our body to recognize everyone? Yes, it's a brain. And where this all are feeded? Yes, this is feeded in the brain. Now we are going to learn about the important organ in our body, that is the brain. Once look at this picture friends. Once look at this picture friends, this is a brain. It is an human brain. Is it clear? This is the human brain. It is important for the recognizing everyone. Is it clear friends? Yes. First of all, we start from the nervous system. First, the nervous system is divided into 2 main parts. They are central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Is it clear friends? Yes, and next the central nervous system is divided into 2 main parts. They are brain and spinal cord. Is it clear friends? Brain and spinal cord. Now we are briefly going to learn about brain. First, the study of brain is called encephalogy. It is a site of information processing and control. It is protected in the cranial cavity. Brain is also called think tank. Okay friends, see here, the study of brain, this brain is known as a encephalogy and it is a site of information processing and control. Means whatever we are doing, that is controlled by this brain and it is protected in a cranial cavity. Okay friends, this is known as the think tanks. Once here, yes, these are the all functions situated in the brain. So that the brain is known as the think tank. Okay friends, how many parts the brain is divided? Yes, the brain is divided into 3 main parts. They are forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Is it clear friends? Yes. How many parts the brain is divided? The brain is divided into 3 main parts. They are forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. First one is the forebrain. Forebrain. Midbrain and hindbrain. Once look at this picture friends. Once look at this picture. See here, these are the 3 main parts of the brain. This is forebrain, this is midbrain and this is hindbrain. This all part is the forebrain and this is the midbrain. This is the hindbrain. See here, the brown color is called the forebrain and here brown color is called the midbrain, and here brown color is called the hindbrain. Okay friends, now okay, in the world we see many fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, invertebrates and vertebrates. Is it clear? Yes. In fishes, the brain is covered by only one protective layer, that is called the meninx, and in amphibians, reptiles, the birds, the brain is covered by two layers, they are outer dura mater and inner pia mater, whereas in the human beings, the brain is covered by three meninges. Is it clear? Yes, they are dura mater, arcanine matter and the pia mater. Okay friends, one see here. Dura mater, it is the outer double layer. Arcanine matter, it is the middle layer covering the brain. And this is the pia mater, it is the innermost layer. Once look here friends. See here. This is the brain. This is the outer dura mater. It is an outer double layer. Is it clear? It is the outer dura mater. It is outer double layer and it is a middle arcanine matter. Is it clear? Yes, it is the middle arcanine matter and it is the inner layer pia mater. Is it clear friends? Yes, and this pia mater is near to the brain. Is it clear? Yes, and one see here. The pia mater and arcanine matter is separated by subarachnoid space. It is filled with cerebrospinal fluid which protects the brain from mechanical shocks. Meninges protect the brain from mechanical injuries and also this helps in exchange of gases, nutrients between nervous tissues and blood. Okay friends, see here. These are the three meninges. As I said, the meninges means the layers are known as the meninges. In between this pia mater and arcanine matter, there is a fluid filled space called the cerebrospinal fluid. Okay friends, in between this pia mater and this arcanine matter, there is a fluid filled space called cerebrospinal fluid, and these three layers protect the brain from mechanical shocks and injuries. Okay, and also it helps in the exchange of gases, nutrients in between the nervous tissues and blood. Okay friends. Now see here. The brain is divided into three main parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. The forebrain has three parts. They are olfactory bulb, cerebrum and diencephalon. Is it clear friends? Yes, and midbrain has two parts. They are crura cerebri and corpora quadrigemina. Again, the hindbrain has three parts. They are cerebellum, pons varelli and medulla oblongata. Is it clear friends? Yes. The forebrain has three parts. Okay, the forebrain has three parts. They are cerebrum, olfactory bulb and diencephalon. And this midbrain has three parts. They are crura cerebri and corpora quadrigemina. Is it clear friends? Yes, and next the hindbrain has three parts. They are cerebellum, pons varelli and medulla oblongata. Okay friends, see here. The forebrain is divided into three main parts. They are cerebrum, olfactory bulb and diencephalon. And next, the midbrain is divided into two parts. It has sclera cerebri and corpora quadrigemina. And hindbrain has three parts. They are cerebellum, pons varelli and medulla oblongata. Okay friends, now see the regions of the brain. This is the cerebrum. This is the corpus callosum. Corpus callosum helps in the, it connects the two cerebral hemispheres. And next, the thalamus. It is the thalamus. And this is the pineal body. It is the hypothalamus. And see here friends, this is the midbrain, pons varelli and the medulla oblongata leads to the brainstem. Is it clear? Yes. And these three parts leads to the brainstem. And next, see here, the tree of branchial structure is called the cerebellum. Is it clear friends? Yes. And next, see here, olfactory bulb. It persists to smell from olfactory epithelium. Its main function is to smell. Once look at this picture friends. What is he doing? Yes, he is smelling. See here, this is the olfactory bulb. It sends message to the, means it brings the smell to the forebrain. Is it or not? Yes. So, it is this olfactory bulb function is situated in the forebrain. Is it clear? Yes. One see here. See this brain friends. This is the human brain. See here, these are the olfactory bulbs. These are the olfactory bulbs. No? These two bulbs helps in the maintenance of these two bulbs. Main function is to smell. Is it clear friends? Yes. These are, when we are going on the roads, when we come across any chicken center or fast food center, we can smell them because of the development of the olfactory bulbs. And next friends, these olfactory bulbs are well developed in the dogs. Because of that, they are used in the investigation by the polices. Is it clear? Yes. And next, see here the lobes of the brain. See here friends, this is the frontal lobe. This is the frontal lobe and this is the parietal lobe. This is the temporal lobe and this is the occipital lobe. The frontal lobe main function is the planning. Is it clear? Yes, this frontal lobe main function is the planning and this parietal lobe main function is the movement and temporal lobe main function is the language. Okay friends? And next, the occipital lobe main function is the vision. See here, the leading part is the spinal cord and this is the cerebellum. Okay friends, next we learn about the cerebrum. It is the largest part of the brain. It occupies major part of the brain. It is longitudinally divided into left and right cerebral hemispheres called longitudinal fissure. The right hemisphere is associated with the creativity and artistic ability. The left hemisphere is associated with analytical and mathematical ability. Cerebrum is composed of grey matter called cerebral cortex. It contains folds and grooves. The folds are called gyri and grooves in them are called sulci. These increase the area of cerebral cortex. Cerebrum is center for thinking, reasoning, identification, etc. Okay friends, see here, this is the forebrain. It occupies major part of the brain. It is a forebrain. It occupies major part of the brain. Is it clear? Yes, it is the largest part of the brain and this forebrain is longitudinally divided. How is it divided? It is divided into, longitudinally divided into left and right cerebral hemispheres. What is that friends? It is divided into left and right cerebral hemispheres. the left one controls right side of our body parts and right one controls left side of our body parts. Okay friends, if any nerve is damaged in the left side, we get paralysis on the right side of our body parts, and if any nerve is damaged in the right side, we get paralysis on the left side of our body parts. Is it clear friends? Yes. And next, this cerebrum is composed of grey matter. This cerebrum is composed of grey matter. So, it is called the cerebral cortex. See here friends, these are the gyri and these are the sulci. These are the gyri and these are the sulci. The folds are called the gyri and in between the folds the grooves are called the sulci. These folds and grooves increase the area of cerebral cortex and its main function is the identification, thinking, writing and all so many functions are situated in the cerebrum because it is largest part of the brain. Is it clear friends? Yes. And next we learn about the next part, that is the diencephalon. Diencephalon. See here, this is the epithalamus. Diencephalon has three parts. They are epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. This is the epithalamus. It is a roof of the diencephalon. It forms pineal body which acts as biological clock in our body, and thalamus. It acts as relay center for pain, temperature, touch, etc. Hypothalamus. It is below the thalamus. It secretes hormones called hypothalamus hormones. It controls osmoregulation, thermoregulation, thirst, feeding, etc. It is commonly called as emotional center. Okay friends, how many parts the brain is divided? How many parts the diencephalon is divided? Yes, the diencephalon is divided into three parts. They are epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. First, epithalamus is the roof of the diencephalon, means it is the covering layer. Is it clear? See here. This is the epithalamus. It is the roof of the diencephalon and it forms pineal body. See here, it forms the pineal body. This is the pineal body. This is the pineal body. Is it clear friends? This is the pineal body. What is the main function of pineal body? Yes, this pineal body acts as a biological clock in our body. Is it clear? Means it maintains the time sense. We are getting up early and doing our activities in a similar manner. So, that is controlled by the pineal body. And next we learn about the thalamus. Is it clear? Yes. And next thalamus. Thalamus is the relay center for pain, temperature, touch, etc. Is it clear? The thalamus is the relay center, means it sends the information for pain, temperature, touch, etc. And next we learn about the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus, it is the below the thalamus. It is below the thalamus. See here. This is the hypothalamus. This is the hypothalamus friends. This thalamus is the relay center for pain, temperature, touch, etc. And the hypothalamus is below the thalamus. This is the hypothalamus. It is below the thalamus and it secretes hormones called hypothalamus hormones. And it controls osmoregulation, thermoregulation, thirst, feeding, etc. What is osmoregulation? Yes, the maintenance of the water and dissolved solvents in our body in a balance is known as the osmoregulation. And what is thermoregulation? Yes, thermoregulation is the maintenance of the body temperature is known as the thermoregulation. Once look at this picture friends. Yes, how cute he is. What is he doing? Yes, he is feeding. And next look at this picture. What is it doing? It is drinking. Okay, these all the functions are situated in the hypothalamus. Is it clear? Yes. And next, Next we learn about the midbrain. See here friends, midbrain. Midbrain has two parts, crura cerebri and corpora quadrigemina. Is it clear? The crura cerebri and the corpora quadrigemina. Crura cerebri. These are the bundles which connect forebrain to the hindbrain. Is it clear? These are the bundles which connect forebrain to hindbrain. And corpora quadrigemina. It has four lobes. Two anterior lobes called superior colliculi and two posterior lobes called inferior colliculi. Next, superior colliculi are larger and visual, and inferior colliculi is smaller and its main function is the audition. Okay friends, see here. See here friends, this is the midbrain. This is the midbrain. This midbrain has two parts. They are crura cerebri and corpora quadrigemina. What are those friends? They are crura cerebri and corpora quadrigemina. Crura cerebri are the bundles, means they are bundle of nerves which connect forebrain to the hindbrain. Which connect forebrain to the hindbrain. Is it clear? These are the bundles which connect forebrain to the hindbrain. And next, crura cerebri. First crura cerebri is finished. Now corpora quadrigemina. Yes, this corpora quadrigemina has four lobes. What are those friends? They are two anterior lobes called superior colliculi and two posterior lobes called inferior colliculi. This superior colliculi is the larger one and its main function is the vision, and inferior colliculi is the smaller one. Its main function is the audition. Is it clear? Once look at this picture. See here, this is the superior colliculi. This is the superior colliculi. It is present in the midbrain. It is present in the midbrain and its main function is the vision. Okay? Okay friends, now look at this boy. Oh, what is he doing? Yes, he is seeing. And next, look at this boy. What is he doing? He is hearing. Okay. Okay friends, this seeing, audition and vision are all controlled in the midbrain. Is it clear? Yes. And next we learn about the hindbrain. Okay. It is the last part of the brain. First, hindbrain has three parts. They are cerebellum, pons varilli and medulla oblongata. Cerebellum. It is the second largest part of the brain. It maintains balancing equilibrium. It consists central vermis and cerebellar hemispheres. This is the cerebellum friends. See here, the tree of branch-like structure is called the cerebellum. The cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain and it is located at the back of the skull. It coordinates muscle movements. Okay friends, see here. See here, this is the hindbrain. This is the hindbrain. Is it or not? Yes, this is the hindbrain. And in the hindbrain, we are discussing about cerebellum. The cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain. Is it or not? Yes, the cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain. And this cerebellum main function is the balancing equilibrium. Is it clear? Yes, if we see any drunken people, they will be not in a stable position like us. Is it or not? Yes, because the alkalic material shows effect on the cerebellum, so that the voluntary movements becomes involuntary. By that they cannot be in a stable position. Is it or not? Yes. And next we learn about the second part of the hindbrain, that is a pons varilli. It is relay center for cerebellum and spinal cord. It is present below the midbrain and above the medulla oblongata and cerebellum. Okay friends, this is the pons varilli. This is the pons varilli. it is a relay center for the cerebellum and the leading part spinal cord. Is it clear? Yes, this pons virile is the relay center for cerebellum and the leading part spinal cord, and this pons virile is present below the midbrain. This is the midbrain. This is the midbrain now. It is, this pons virile is present below the midbrain and above the medulla oblongata and the cerebellum. Okay friends. Next we learn about the third part of the hindbrain, that is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. It is a posterior part of the brain. It is center for vomiting, coughing, sneezing, controls respiration, circulatory system. Medulla oblongata leads to spinal cord. Okay friends. This is the medulla oblongata. Is it clear? Yes, it is the posterior part of the brain. This is the medulla oblongata. It is the posterior part of the brain and it controls osmoregulation. It is center for respiration, circulation, heartbeat and etc. Next, it controls vomitings, coughing, sneezing and the swallowing etc. Okay friends, once look at this picture. This is the brainstem. Is it or not? Yes. The pons virile, medulla oblongata and midbrain constitute to form brainstem. And see here, this is the cerebellum. This is the cerebellum. This is the medulla oblongata and this is the pons virile. This is the hindbrain. Is it or not? Yes. And next we learn about the ventricles of the brain. Ventricles. The cavities of the brain are called ventricles. Is it or not? Yes. And they are 4 in number. First and second ventricles are called paracells, present in cerebellar hemispheres. And next, third ventricle diocele occurs in diencephalon. Fourth ventricle myelocele present in the medulla oblongata. 2 foramina of Monro connects paracele to the diocele individually. It connects third and fourth ventricle. Okay friends, see here, these are the lateral ventricles. These are the lateral ventricles, means the first and second ventricles are called the lateral ventricles. These are present in the cerebrum, means cerebral hemispheres, and this is the third ventricle. Third ventricle is called the diocele. It is present in the diencephalon. Is it or not? Yes. And this is the fourth ventricle. It is present in the medulla oblongata. The fourth ventricle is known as myelocele. Okay friends, see here. Okay, how many ventricles are there? Yes, there are 4 ventricles. First ventricle, second ventricle, third ventricle and the fourth ventricle. The first and second ventricles are known as the paracells and the third ventricle is known as the diocele and the fourth ventricle is known as the myelocele. The first and second ventricle and third ventricle are connected each other by a 2 foramina of Monro, and the third ventricle and the fourth ventricle are connects each other by a ether. Is it or not? Yes. And next, see here, these are all the functions of the brain. Is it clear friends? Yes, these are all the functions of the brain. The anterior cingulate, it is a motivation. This is the motor areas, these are the sensory areas. This is the frontal lobe, its main function is the planning. And this is the parietal lobe, its main function is the movement. This is the occipital lobe, its main function is the vision. And it is the temporal lobe, its main function is the language. And see here friends, this is the cerebellum. It is a coordinate movement, means as I said it is a balancing equilibrium. And see this is the brainstem. This is the